Affiliate pages. Affiliate pages. Yeah. Started out with a dream and a laptop in my hand. From a cubicle grind to a life I planned. No code, no stress, just a vision so clear. I was hungry for freedom, now the future's here. Try the hard way, building pages all night. But the layouts were messy, nothing looked right. Then I found the key, the blocks that convert. Now my sights shine bright and my clicks alert. Affiliate pages, build it and make it from zero to hero. You just gotta crank it. Drag, drop, done, now you're in control. More clicks, more sales, watch your profits roll. So if you're tired of the grind and you're ready to fly, let your freedom ring and your numbers multiply. Affiliate pages, yeah, that's the way. Build your empire, starting today. Affiliate pages, build it and bank it from zero to hero. You just gotta crank it. Drag, drop, done, now you're in control. More clicks, more sales, watch your profits roll. Affiliate pages, build it and bank it from zero to hero. You just gotta crank it. Drag, drop, done, now you're in control. More clicks, more sales, watch your profits roll. Affiliate pages.
Affiliate pages. What a great song. All right. Jit, you enjoy that?
Yes, it's a new
Yeah,
one. I was thinking, I was expecting it would be something like a Groovian, but oh my God, this is something new. I love it.
Yeah. Affiliate pages. Yeah. Oh, what a great song. One day I'll show everybody how we do that stuff. And Simon put all the graphics together on that to match up to the song. All
So
right,
we are
everybody.
right? Oh yeah, people are here. I love it.
Yeah, Kevin
Here we go.
Jacobson, Amanda is here as well. And I will just drop a link to Amanda. She likes to be in the room giving feedback and stuff. Yo, says Spicy Marketing. Let me just go to Microsoft Teams here. Hit up Amanda just so you have that. If you want to join us, Amanda, it's up to you.
Yes.
All right. But mostly Jit is going to be in control today. And before we get started, ladies and jelly bean, if I tilted my camera over here, we are having a South Florida tropical storm. The palm trees are folded like this. It's literally looks like it's 11 o'clock at night outside. It's so dark and gray and windy out there. It's nuts. So let's bring on V for Vashi here. Vashi, you can turn your camera on. We don't see you. All right,
Hi,
there
guys.
he is. Vashi, if you are in control, if you want to share your screen, I will add it into the
Sure.
studio, and then you can tell us the updates. And then I think we got one that's pretty exciting for you guys today. All right, we see your screen. Let's bring it on. All right.
Great, guys.
You can see your screen. Yeah.
So in this update, in this week's update, we have added the functionality to customize, reorder, delete, add new section templates in a landing page wizard. As you can see, there are 4 for now. For example, if we choose one and give it a random name and choose a brand, and we have all the section templates that are predefined in that particular landing page, but we can totally customize it, bring any of them
Nice.
to
We have drag and drop now. Beautiful.
Yep. So make any random order we want, like we want to keep, let's say, review template on the top, something like that. So we can do that. And second thing, we can remove any of the template we want from here. We will remove this. For example, we will remove this. We'll keep only a few. And then if you want, you can add them back in as well. For example, I will click on add new and then search for pros and cons. Then we will add this section.
So let
So
me throw something in there, Vashi, that I would do there. I would click on add more section.
okay.
Okay, what I would do is I would have a little badge that notifies them that that section is already there. Right. So
Okay.
as they're going through, they can have a little check mark that something that tells them that it's already in the theme. Right. And then I think we have something that's blocking them from using a template again if it's already in the theme. I would not do that. I wouldn't block it. Maybe from whatever. Maybe I want 2 intros, whatever, and then I want to modify the intro, whatever. So if they're using a section already and it's there, and they go to add it, just have a pop-up that says, you already have this on the website. Are you sure you want to add a duplicate? And then they could say yes or no. So we're giving them more flexibility. Make sense?
Got it. Makes sense. Yeah.
Cool.
Great. So yeah, great. That's what we will do. And then just a moment. Another very cool feature that we are almost ready with is choosing your brand once. So for example, you have a brand directory of 5 brands, and you are currently creating all the content for one single brand, and you don't want to choose it every time you want to create or generate content. Then you will go to dashboard, and from here you can choose your primary brand.
Yes, we finally
There
got
would be,
this.
yeah,
Thank you,
there would be
Vashi.
some UI changes for now. This is the raw
This is
version for now.
on the development server right now. We haven't pushed it live, but it's coming soon. So let me explain what this is for everybody, just real quick. Currently, the way it works, every time you go to add a block, every time you go to add a template, it says, what brand do you want to work with? And then you have to scroll all the way down, find the brand, and then you do your pros and cons. Now you want to add an introduction. It says, what brand do you want to work with? You have to go, I want to use this brand. So what we're doing right now is we're giving you an active primary brand that will always be active. So anytime that you go to add anything to the site, it will automatically default to your active brand or your primary brand. And then you can change that in the drop down if you want. And that's handled right where Vashi is showing you. So that is absolutely fantastic. Thank you.
So guys, these were 2 major updates we have launched, and major UI fixes were also included. But tomorrow, these updates will be pushed to the production server.
Very good. And anything else, Vashi, other than the big thing?
Other than this, there are so many things we are still discussing, and Mike, I think you should be telling
Great.
everyone
Well,
about
we've
that.
got as Steve Jobs would say, that's it. Let's go to the training. But there is one more thing, and whenever there's a one more thing, it's usually pretty big. Hey, Amanda, how are you? We see you back there. Give me a thumbs up, Amanda, when you want to come in, and I'll just bring you in. But take your time. You ready? All right. So,
Hello.
hey, Amanda. So, Amanda, we're about to drop. Before we get to the training with Jit, we are about to give the one more thing on the updates. And okay, now we're going to show you a demo. If I had to say, because I see Vashi talking to Alan, and Alan is doing some custom things on the side of Groove, that we might have this ready for you by next training. You say that's a fair estimate, Vashi. Obviously, you can't speak for Alan, but based on the production that you're seeing, we should have it ready in about a week, right?
Yep.
Okay. So what we're doing, because of the feedback that we got from customers, was that most of you guys are Groove users, and you love Groove, and you know how to use Groove, and you know how to add a blog, and you know how to add your custom domains and do all of these different things. That getting and I still happen to like WordPress, but I'm moving more and more towards the Groove. WordPress for affiliate pages. Many people didn't like having to pay $47 a year to Hostinger. They didn't like having to learn WordPress all over again when Groove has been promising that you don't need it, having to install a theme, having to install the plugin, and learning 2 different user interfaces. You still need 2 user interfaces. You'll need your affiliate pages dashboard. But the question was, do we create a whole publishing system for affiliate pages when we have a perfect one with Grooveblog that you already have? And if you don't have it, we'll give it to you. So now what we want to do is we want to show you how this almost worked with Grooveblog, and then the changes we made to make it work perfectly. So Vashi, whatever you can show, take it away. And do you have the ability to show them the stuff Alan is working on, or do I need to bring Alan on?
For now, I think, yeah, I can show my stuff, and we need Alan for, to show what.
Let me see if I can. I'm going to take this link, and Alan doesn't normally come on live streams, but I'm going to actually text him because I know he always sees his text messages here. Alan, you know what Alan's last name is? Groovedev in my phone. Alan Groovedev. Hey, can you join us for 5 minutes on a live stream with members? Cam off. We are on the affiliate pages. 1 second, guys, sorry. We are on the affiliate pages with the members, and I want to show them the dev environment for Grooveblog, what you did, which is really cool. Thanks. All right, and if you can't make it, I'll tell you what it is. But Vashi, go ahead right now, show him what we got, and if he pops in, then fantastic. If not, we'll have to wait till next week when it's live to demo.
Great. So guys, as we can see, we have this Grooveblog where we can also,
Vashi, do me a favor. Do me a favor. Start from the main dashboard.
Okay.
All right. So as you guys know, with Groove, you have your different apps up there. And if you look over at the 6th one there, it says Grooveblog. So that's Grooveblog. Now, Vashi, do me a favor. Click on your profile icon up at the top right.
Mm-hmm.
And click on Settings and Billing.
Mm-hmm.
And click on Domains. Okay. And then click on Your Domains. And this is, you click Manage now. And this is where you would add your domain, right? Just like you would with Groove. We've got plenty of videos on this. You would add your domain and you say, do you want it to be like myblog.com? And that means that it's a fully blog at your website. Or do you have your funnels and your regular website at mysite.com and you want the blog to be at mysite.com/blog or blog.mysite.com. So you have the option to put it in a subdirectory, in a folder, or make it the main part of your website. Anything is up to you. That training we're not going to get into now. When we do a start to finish blog in a couple of weeks, I will show you how to do it on WordPress and how to do it on a Grooveblog. So we'll close that. And now we're going to go to Grooveblog and Vashi will take over.
Okay, great. So here we can see we are using Grooveblog right now, and there are multiple posts that you can look at. So inside these posts, when you edit each post, so we are going to build, inside affiliate pages that you choose to have blocks for Grooveblog, and you copy the code from there and paste it right into your Groove editor, and it will look absolutely amazing and very improved designs as well. So I'm going to show you a few of them for now. For
and
example,
while Vashi's going into one of these, I will let you know this. Vashi went in, didn't know much about Grooveblog because he's new on this side of things. And he goes in, I didn't give him any tips. He figured it out. He got in. He said, all right, let me just take this code that we got from Groove, from affiliate pages, and he pasted it in. Holy cow, it works. It works. But there was one major thing. And by the way, good news. I got a text from Alan. He said, give me 5 minutes, and he will be getting in right now. So Vashi, show them what we had to show to Alan and said, hey, it looks good to the end user, but it doesn't look good to us here in the editor.
Yep. So this is what the end user sees. A very nice layout.
Nice.
It's like a comparison page, and likewise we can have we will have all the blocks that we already have for WordPress, just like this one. I'll show you the other one as well.
And now you have the sidebar shut off, right?
Yeah, I have temporarily removed the sidebar from here.
Yeah, so you can still have the sidebar if you want, like on this post.
You can see this is a very nice looking coupon block that we can add into Groove Blog, and this is kind of, you know, the author box that we can add in Groove Blog, and multiple things we tested. So this thing we have already tested, so we are all set to, you know, get it to the production. So for now, what I would like to show you is the backend.
Well, let me hang on just 1 second, because this we have to address that. No, go back to the group log.
Mm-hmm.
Go back
Here?
one page. Nope. There you go. Nope. The editor with all the div codes.
Oh yeah, this one.
Yes. Okay, we have to address this. So this was the problem, right? The problem was the way that Groove currently is when we tried to do a custom embed, it didn't work. It just didn't render the code because it was a tailwind issue, CSS, all this different type of stuff. So the only way it works is you have to drop it as normal HTML in your editor, and you're seeing this, and nobody wants to see this. So what that means is if you went to get another block, you would have to find a closing div and an opening div and paste it in there. So what happens is it looked great on the other end, but the user interface didn't work. So Alan is going to be jumping in. He said, give me 5 minutes to clean things up. I'm sure he's got to, you know, load it up on his laptop and all that stuff. And so what Alan did is he's added, Vashi, go to like a blank blog post. Oh, right there.
Here?
See that? So what you're going to see now is you're going to have a fourth icon that's going to say affiliate pages. And when you click on it, you're going to be able to paste the content right there, and it will render it for you. Something like that, I think. No, never mind. It's not going to work like that. It's going to be different. When you go to create a post, when you go to create a post, it's going to ask you, do you want to create a traditional group blog post or an affiliate pages post? And when you click affiliate pages post, we're gonna create a new page that looks identical to this, where when you paste the HTML, it'll render it in real time for you. So that's what we've done. But you'll see it's gonna be very, very good. And so Vashi, go back to what you were gonna say, and then we'll wait for Alan to come in, and then we'll start the training with Jit.
Yeah, so basically what we have done, we have you know, added all these options. So in future, when you will be in affiliate pages, so you will have option to, you know, switch from WordPress to Groove Blog. And once you switch to Groove Blog, then you will be able to generate very nice looking blogs, which are much better and improved version of WordPress blogs that we already got.
Oh, Mike, we can't hear you.
Can't hear you, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Amanda. Let me talk to you about that, what Vashi just said. So what's going to happen is in your settings, the same way that we have a setting that says prime, and Vashi, if you didn't do it this is the way we should do it. The same way you have something that says primary brand, we're going to have another drop down that's going to be persistent, that all outputs will be generated for WordPress or for group blog, WordPress or group. So you don't have to go and do it every single time. So it'll be locked in, and you can change it in the top line settings. And then what Vashi said that I don't want to let fly over your heads is that Vashi was like a kid in the candy store when he was talking to me about this. He was hyperventilating. He was excited. He's like, Mike, you don't understand how difficult it is with WordPress, with what we're trying to do. I said, why? He said, because they don't work well with Tailwind CSS, and they have plugin after plugin after plugin. I tried this plugin. It does 90% of what we want, but it breaks this and didn't work with these two blocks. I tried another plugin. It worked with this, but didn't work with this. I've tried 9 different plugins. None of them work. We spoke with Alan. He said, yeah, trying to get CSS to work when inside of a WordPress team is very difficult. So what that meant was we had to dumb down our blocks to work with WordPress, and it limited us in our styling and different things like that. Now, what we're doing with Tailwind means that we can do anything with Tailwind. We can take any Tailwind library. Not that we're going to go nuts with it, but I'll give you an example. If we wanted to do something that has a beautiful light box that pops up and dims the screen for when you want to click to get a coupon, we can do anything now, because whatever we can do with Tailwind and CSS is open. Anytime we tried to do anything cool or slick like that with the WordPress, it didn't work, because WordPress had their limited styles that we had to work with. And as soon as we tried to bring in another framework like Tailwind, which is just the best CSS framework there is out there, it didn't work. So Vashi is so excited, because now in his mind, he's like, I can go back and make these blocks like do anything we ever want. So that's some good news for us there.
I have a quick question about it being on Groove blog. We have to finalize the look first in our affiliate pages dashboard and then bring it over, or can we adjust once we're in Groove blog as well?
So all of the style and look and feel and colors will all be handled over at affiliate pages. And then basically just look at it as a custom embed that was handled somewhere else. But I'm hoping Alan gets on right away. What we did add is with the Tailwind CSS, he found another plugin that will allow you to do the bold and the italics and all, and the header. So you'll still be able to go in and adjust the fonts and change the color and things like that of the text. You'll be able to highlight any text, but for the most part, and Vashi, if you can just show like an end blog for users that are just joining right now, they're going to be intimidated by this screen.
Yeah.
If anybody comes on, they're going to be like, oh, what is that there? Yeah. So, all right. So let me check with Alan and see if he's got any issues. No, not yet. All right. So, Vashi, anything else? I want to stick on this until Alan gets in. Let me just see if I can just ask him how much longer. What did he say? He said 5 minutes. That was 10 minutes ago. All right. And I think that's all we have. So we're going to move over to Jit's training. And then Jit, Vashi, if you could stay around, Alan will show up in the next couple of minutes. And when he does, we'll come back and show you what it's going to look like. And then we'll focus on the training from here on out.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. I'm going to turn it over to you. And I'm going to remove me and Amanda and Vashi for now. All righty. Thanks. All right, Jit, it's all you know.
Okay, I'll start sharing the screen. Just give me 1 second. So my screen is visible, right? Just give me 1 second. Is it the one? So my screen is like everybody can see my screen, right, Mike? Hello.
Yes, I had to add myself back in. Yes, we can see your screen. Very good.
That's awesome. Yeah, thank you so much. So today we are going to start with AI, SEO, and backlinking in 2025. So I'm going to talk about these things, like what is AI, SEO, like as we have already talked with this, but now I'm going to talk like why backlinking is very important in SEO and what kind of changes we are seeing in AI, SEO in 2025 right now. So let's start with this. Like, as you know, SEO for Google and LLMs, right? The content quality is important, the user experience, the technical SEO, the contextual relevancy, the personalization, and natural language understanding, technical SEO, and keyword research. Like, these are the few basic terminal like parameters we have for SEO for Google and LLMs, right now in 2025. Like, you have to focus on all these things in order to optimize your website to rank it on Google or LLMs like ChatGPT, everything, right? So I'm going to start with this, like SEO backlinking in 2025, your guide. Okay, I'm going to talk about like why backlinks are important. As you know, guys, the backlinks are the most fundamental like the important backbone of SEO. Like if you got a strong backlinks for your website, what do I mean by backlink? Like somebody is linking your website in their article, in their post, anywhere, like on social media, on YouTube, on LinkedIn, or on news sites, anywhere. It's called as a backlinks, and backlinks remain always critical part of SEO, and still it's very, very important in 2025. Okay, so backlinks, like why do you need backlinks, right? It's going to boost your ranking, right? If I want to rank for certain keywords on Google, like review pages, like coupon codes, like verses, any kind of articles, right? It's going to help me in boosting my rankings, drive traffic, because if I'm able to rank for like keywords, like affiliate keywords, like review, coupon, and all, it's going to help me drive traffic. It's going to help me make sales, right? And it will increase the user engagement and conversions. And backlinks helps you to establish credibility and strengthen your niche, like your niche presence in that competitive like landscape right now. Okay, these are the very, very like crucial parts. And what do I mean by anatomy of high quality backlinks? See, not all the backlinks you created are equal, right? Sometimes you will be able to, like, you are creating low quality backlinks. What do I mean by low quality backlinks? The backlinks which are not trustworthy, the backlinks which don't have any kind of link juice, right? So according, like in 2025, according to Google's EAT, right, experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness, like guidelines, means the best links should be relevant, they should be from authoritative side, and they should be naturally placed inside the articles, right? So this is where the backlinks plays a very important role, right? You need to make sure whenever you're creating a backlinks, it has to be highly relevant from that niche website, right? And it has to be from something which have a good domain authority, right? DA, right? It's called domain authority or domain rating. It's a parameter by Ahrefs. Like they just give the strength to the domain. Like it determines how strong is your domain in order to rank on Google or like inside LLMs, right? And effective link building methods, right? I will talk about that. Like, what do I mean by effective link building methods, right? Like effective link building methods comprises of guest posting, PR, like digital marketing PR, like something like you get your brand or your affiliate sites get featured on news websites, you're doing the PR campaigns, you're making sure like you are getting engaged on social media channels in order to yield the best results, right? You want to make sure like your brand is present everywhere, right? You're doing the guest posting, you are doing a like digital PR and outreach, and you are engaging in the communities like LinkedIn, like Reddit, like Quora. You're able to talk about your niche expertise. That's where you're gonna build your brand, and you're gonna get backlinks from all these kind of relevant channels to boost your domain authority, right? And your 2025 backlink like strategy, like the flow chart here, make sure whenever you are starting with a backlink strategy, you should be able to create a high value content, right? You should be able to create content which is very highly valuable. Like somebody who's on your blog or on your niche website, they should be able to find that your content is naturally highly valuable, right? Then it's going to help you to attract some backlinks, right? Then you execute your PR, right? Once you know your content is very high value, it's highly engaging, then you start doing outreach. Then you start reaching out to the niche websites and asking them for the backlinks so they can help you to get backlinks in order to rank for your keywords, right? That's where you're gonna do some kind of outreach emails to certain niche website, to the PR companies who can help you get backlinks. Some of the backlinks are paid, some of the backlinks are freely acquired. So these are the strategies so you can apply. So you can use Haro also, help a reporter out. There are so many media like outlets who are looking for like expert opinions. That's where you can get in touch with all these kind of like experts on like authors on Forbes or any kind of news magazines. So you can use Haro, help a reporter out. It's a website which can help you to reach out to the like media sources, and it can help you to get like backlinks from highly like secure news, like authority news sites like Forbes or XYZ, like something which is very highly valuable, right? Next step is engage in niche community, like communities, right? Whenever you are like making your backlink strategy, make sure you are able to engage in some communities and forums or group where you are able to share some insights, where you're able to share your expertise, right? Then you can link your content. Example, you are a part of some Facebook group, right? And where you talk about SEO, affiliate marketing. And once you start sharing some kind of your insights, then you can start linking your content inside that kind of communities. That's where you're going to acquire some kind of backlinks. And once you're done like with engaging in the communities, then it comes monitor and analyze the results. So you can use tools like Google Analytics, Ahrefs, SEMrush to track the referral traffic, to track the link growth, and that's where the quality metrics comes in the place, right? And next step is audit and these are about toxic links, right? Make sure whenever you're creating backlinks, right, you should always check in Google Search Console. I'm going to show you some demo like inside Google Search Console, how does it work and how you can disavow some harmful links. Like example, some of your competitors, right, they want to demote your rankings inside Google, right? So they might have created some bad backlinks, or maybe by accidentally you have created bad like low quality backlinks or like harmful backlinks which are going to attract you some kind of penalties by Google updates. So these are the things you can do it to avoid getting penalized by Google, right? So regularly check your backlink profile. So there are some tools like Google Search Console, Ahrefs, which can help you to analyze your backlink profiles. And common mistakes to avoid whenever you're creating a backlinks: don't buy low quality links, right? Never purchase links from farms or like some link farms. What do I mean by link farms? Some sites which are only created for specially only for the backlinks. So make sure you avoid these sites. Make sure you avoid over optimized anchor text whenever you're creating a backlinks for your any kind of affiliate article, right? Make sure you avoid stuffing keywords there. Make sure you use some natural anchor text, branded anchor text, or naked URLs to make it look natural. And make sure you're getting a backlink from high authority site which look relevant, right?
Hey, Jit,
It's very, very important. Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Just so you know, I have to take a phone call. I'm going to be here, but if you're calling for me in the next 5 minutes, I'm on a phone call.
It's completely okay. It's completely okay. Mike.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
And, Matt, let me call you back. Alan just got in, and I need to show some. I'll call you right back. Bye. Hold on a second, Jit. I see Alan just got in there.
Sure. Okay.
Hang on a second, Alan. I'm just putting my my on here. Let me show my face. All right. Let me get my glasses. Alan, thumbs up. Alan, do you hear me? Yeah, Alan, do you? He's got his camera on. All right, very good. Here we go. I'm going to add you to the stage. You ready? Okay. Hey, Alan, how are you? We're going to add Vashi as well. Vashi, you can turn your camera on.
Alan.
Okay. Hello, guys.
How you doing, Alan? From Brazil.
Yes, from Brazil.
Yeah, and I don't see your face very often, Alan. It's good to see you.
Yeah.
Good. So they got the whole.
Too.
They got the whole understanding. Everybody in the world is calling me Glenn Ledwell. That's your friend Jit, Glenn.
Oh, Glenn. Oh.
Yeah, let me type to reply on live stream. Let me just let him know. Sorry, guys. On live stream. Everybody's blowing up my phone. Okay, so Alan, if you can share your screen. I see your screen is shared. Can I add it to the stage?
Yeah, totally.
Okay. So Alan is, if you can look here at his browser URL says localhost. So this is the development environment, not the live Groove site. But he's going to show you now that when you click new post, you're going to have a new option that's going to say a normal Groove blog post or optimized for affiliate pages. So the default will always be Groove blog post, but here we're going to do for affiliate pages. Okay. And so you will get your HTML from affiliate pages and you will paste it in here. This will be your starter template. Like
So
that.
this is a code generated on affiliate pages. They can just close view.
Just like that. And
that's nice.
and
Just
when you
hit
see it
refresh
live,
here because I'm getting a problem with the height there.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah. So when it's completely done, there won't be the scroll bar on the right. It'll fully embed. What we're going to adapt it that it recognizes the height and puts it in fully. And then what you're going to have is you're going to have the ability to click on that text and actually have a little toolbar show up where you can edit. Oh, we already added that. Fantastic.
Yeah,
so
we have some basic options.
Change the color. If you could add one more thing in there, that's probably in the plugin, Alan. It's the header drop down if they have it, like to change it from an H1, H2, H3 tag.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, that usually comes with those plugins. And yeah, you can change the color of the font, etc., just like that, or the background. That was the background. So make that white, and now you got a span with blue and white text. And then we're going to add a feature where you could go anywhere in these blocks and click plus, and then a little insert will come in, and then you could drop in another set of blocks. So Vashi is smiling. He likes it very much. So now you're going to be able to see it right in your editor, looking very, very good. All right.
Yeah.
So thank you, Alan. That was it. We just wanted to show them that because the one they saw from Vashi, they just saw all the div in the blog. So I wanted to show them how
okay.
nice it's going to be. Okay.
Okay.
This is awesome.
Nice to be here.
This is great.
Awesome, guys. Love it.
Okay, glad you like it, guys.
Great.
The add images and videos is almost done. I just had to roll back too because it was broken on a part, but it's almost there.
Very good. Yeah. So I told them we'll be doing a training next week at this time that they'll be able to see the most likely we'll have it live for them next week.
Yeah, probably.
But that's our goal. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Okay, everybody. Bye, Alan.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Awesome.
Okay, Vashi, back to you. I'm sorry. I'll add your screen back when I see it.
So, Mike, I can start the training again, right?
Yes, yeah. I'll add your screen back as soon as I see it in the lobby.
So, Mike, I should start the training?
Yes, you don't hear me? Do you hear me? Hello? I don't think he hears
Yes,
me. Do you hear me?
Oh, Vashi. Yes, I can hear you, Vashi.
Okay.
I think where is.
Yeah, I was saying, just share your screen and I'll add it back to the stage. So start the training. You're all set.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, Mike. I will start the training. So, yeah. So the next step is common mistakes to avoid. As I was telling you, don't buy the low quality backlinks or optimized anchor tags, ignoring the relevance. Like whenever you're making a high authority backlink, make sure you don't have a backlink from irrelevant, like unrelated niche website. Example, my niche website is talking about hosting, right? So I should be avoiding backlinks from sites which are talking about health, about diabetes, about hair loss, for example, right? So I should be avoiding getting backlink from those websites, right? And make sure you always keep track of your backlinks because links can break or can get removed. So always use tools like Ahrefs, and so they can help you track like which backlinks are getting removed or broken. And spammy outreach, like avoid being spammy, like whenever you are outreaching someone for backlinks. So make sure you be genuine, you just try to create a good relationships with that person in order to get backlinks from their niche website, right? That's how you do the outreach. So if you don't understand like what do I mean by outreach, just search on Google like email outreach. This is where you're going to understand the basic of that, right? And don't try to forget the local SEO, right? Getting local links like from local directories like G2, like Trustpilot, like make sure you list your business on like your affiliate sites on all these sites. That's going to help you to like get some kind of backlinks and some kind of traction from the Google itself. And let me show you one example. the backlinks for Affiliate Booster, right? I'm going to open Ahrefs here, so you can actually see how many backlinks we have for Ahrefs for affiliatebooster.com. And so you can see that we have a backlinks from different domains. I'm going to make sure one link per domain. So you can see that like we have a backlinks from all these sites, right? All these domains. I can sort the links from high DR to low DR. I can see how many referring domains I have. So you can actually see the number of backlinks I have built over the period of like 3-4 years for this domain. So you can actually see how many backlinks. So you can actually see it. Right. So this is where inside Ahrefs, so you can see how many backlinks does a domain have, anchor tag. So you can actually explore Ahrefs, and it's gonna show you like how many anchor tags you have used, linking authors. It's gonna give you a detailed analysis about your backlinks profile. Like this is one of the best tool I used at my team, and it do have some free credit, but it's like ultimately a paid tool. But this is one of the best tool I'm using for my SEO. Okay. Now let's move to how to build SEO backlinks to rank on ChatGPT. So as I was talking with you, there are 3 pillars of AI backlink: highly relevant guest posts. So make sure whenever you're creating a backlink, so you should target the niche specific blogs. It's gonna help you to rank inside AI tools like ChatGPT and everywhere, right? And make sure you get the backlinks from high authority domains, right? And make sure you write highly value-driven articles with contextual backlinks to your key pages. Like whenever you're doing the guest post on another niche website, so make sure you create a highly value-driven post. Like your article should be very highly valuable. It should be able to provide value, right? And next will be resource pages link. Whenever you are like having a resource pages on your actual website or some other sites, ask them to give you the backlinks, right? Make sure you reach out to those niche website for asking them for the backlinks, right? Make sure you give them a good offer. Sometime some of these niche website, if you ask them to link your resource pages, right? If you have created a tool list, example, you have created a list of 10 best SEO tools, right? Now you want to rank for those keywords, and now you're going to outreach to some of the sites which are talking about SEO. And if you're asking them for the backlinks, right, you need to offer them some kind of good value. Like, okay, like if you give me a backlink, I'm going to share this article on social media or to my email list. So in that way, it's easier for you to acquire a backlinks from those niche website. And always do the competitor backlinks analytics, like tracking, right? Whenever you are creating a backlinks, make sure you analyze your competitors, right? What kind of backlinks they are acquiring, right? What kind of backlinks they have for their domain, so they are able to rank on the Google, right? So make sure you analyze the gaps, you just analyze it very well, and you create better content. Then you work on like earning the similar backlinks your competitor is having, right? So make sure you do a very detailed competitor R&D. So Ahrefs is one of the tool where you can easily see, like if you put one of your competitor domain name inside this, so it's gonna show you how many backlinks they have from which sites. So it's gonna help you to see like what kind of domain, like what kind of backlinks they have acquired or like over the period, right? So like this tool can help you to see what kind of backlinks they have, right? Now let's move it. Implementation. So week 1 will be the research phase. So this is like a 12-week cycle for you. Week 3 and 4, the content creation game. So make sure you created a very high quality pieces. Week 5 to 8, it will be doing outreaching to the niche sites, so you can at least get some kind of backlinks, like 10 to 15 new backlinks every month. And week 9 to 12, monitor and optimize. So make sure once you got these backlinks, you need to monitor them. Like these backlinks are able to improve your traffic, your referral traffic, and you're able to get some kind of ranking boost inside Google SERPs or your LLM traffic. So keep a track of your backlinks all the time, right? That's where you're gonna see what kind of output you're going to get when you're done with doing the backlinks, right? So please make sure you always have a track, like key metrics to track all these backlinks profile always. Now the golden rules for like 2025 SEO, like is greater than like quantity, right? Make sure like whenever you're creating a backlink, one authority backlink beats the low quality, like the 10 low quality ones, right? Make sure whenever you're creating a backlinks, it should be like very authority backlinks. It should not be of low quality backlinks. Like one high authority backlink is very much better than 10 low quality backlinks. And the relevancy is very critical. Whenever you're creating a backlinks, you should be stay inside your niche, right? That's where you're gonna get maximum impact. Try to build relationships with your, like in your community, with your so-called industry experts. So this can help you to get a good amount of backlinks, right? And you monitor your AI presence inside ChatGPT. So you can use tools like Ahrefs. It's gonna give you idea like if you are ranking inside ChatGPT or Google AI overview. So keep a track of that all the time. So I will be like happy to share with you guys like some of the AI SEO experts I follow to learn and excel my knowledge. So this is very important. Like this part of training is very important. Like whenever I go to events, I go to trade shows, I meet all these kind of SEO experts from who I learned so many things about SEO, affiliate marketing, like Google Ads, everything, right? So these are some of the SEO experts I would say like you guys should follow, and you guys should like consume their content, so you will be able to get updated knowledge on AI SEO, on backlinks, affiliate marketing, everything. Because in this like SEO field, like you have to be updated every single month, every single week, because there are so many changes are coming, and so many of these SEO experts are testing so many things, right? So these are the few lists. So you guys like make sure you start following them from the day one, and you guys are going to get so much of value about AI SEO, like the key strategies to rank your site on Google, how you can rank your sites inside like LLMs, like so many strategies I've learned from all these people, because some of the experts you have seen in this email, like in this presentation right now. So I have interviewing with them. I have done interviews with Neil Patel, with Julian Goldie, like Rand Fishkin, right? Because I met these guys personally, and I've learned so many things about SEO, about backlinks, about so many things in this industry right now. So make sure you follow all these so-called SEO experts, and you guys are going to learn so many things about SEO every single day. So just make sure you give them a thumbs up and you follow them on social media, and you're going to learn so many things about AI, SEO, and AI updates, AI tools, everything. So many of you guys were asking about Google AI Studio, like how to use Google AI Studio. I find this one of the best videos, like which can help you to see how to use Google AI Studio. And you can actually like make sure, like once you go through Google AI Studio, it's going to really help you to optimize your articles. It can solve you any problem you are stuck with. You just have to share your screen with Google AI Studio. It's gonna help you with everything. Like you are stuck with coding, like you don't understand about SEO, AI SEO, backlinks, anything. Just open Google AI Studio. It will act like your teacher, and it's gonna help you in anything you ask it. So make sure you watch this video. It's gonna help you understand about Google AI Studio, how to use it, right? This is one of the best videos I've seen it. And this guy name is Daryl Wilson. He's one of my friends from Bangkok, and I know him. He's doing pretty good with affiliate marketing, and I've done interviewing with him too, right? About affiliate marketing, how he's making money with YouTube. So you can check it out. And as you guys know, like ChatGPT is now worth 300 billion, and according to NP. So, like Neil Patel, right? They have done some R&D right now. And as you know, like ChatGPT adoption is growing at very faster rate right now. It have almost like, I think 700 million active users right now. So it's crazy, like how fast ChatGPT is growing right now. So you can see like it is one of the fastest growing search engines. So you have to make sure like you are optimizing your content for LLMs, right? You should not wait right now. Make sure whenever you're optimizing your content, it should be LLM friendly. So I've shared with you some of the strategies in my past training. So just make sure you grow. You just go through with all these trainings, and I've shared with you some of the AIS experts I follow. It's gonna help you to understand like weekly updates on AI SEO, AI, like everything about AI, right? Why AI is like SEO is trending in 2025. Okay, as you have seen, like AI SEO state, like what is happening, like 2025 stat proves it, right? So you can look at the table like AI overviews, like Google now injects like AI answers above 10 blue links, right? You might have seen like whenever you search anything on Google right now, above it there's a AI mode, like it's a AI overviews. It's going to give you short answer in AI, right? So interest in AI overviews has grown, like it's growing at like 100x in next 5 years, right? Zero clicks searches. Most of the like users who are searching on Google right now, right, they are not clicking on the website, they are just finding answers with AI, right? If your answer is very much valuable, some of the users who are inside this AI mode, like inside Google AI overviews, they're gonna click on your website if they find it your content is very much helpful. So make sure you optimize your content very well. You should be able to give value in your content, right? And algorithms arm race. So there are so many updates by Google, like every month or every week Google is launching so many updates. They want to wipe out low quality spam, like low quality sites, like someone who's doing AI spam, someone who's just creating content like made of full of AI, right? It is not helpful, right? If you're creating content with AI but it's not helpful, right, make sure whenever you're creating a content with AI, right, even in my team we make sure that that content is highly valuable, it's readable, and it should be consumable, and it should follow all the EAT signals, right? It should be in depth, it should having all those kind of facts, right? So make sure you follow all these core like protocols. It's going to help you to survive all the Google updates, right? So these are the like few things I've observed like over the period of like in SEO like in 2025. So you can go through this table right now, and so you will understand like how these AI models are getting so powerful right now, and there's a huge demand for AI SEO right now. Everybody is rushing for the gold right now. So you are in the gold rush for AI SEO, to be very honest. So let's talk about the 2025 SEO reality, right? As I'm going to show you like analysis of AI overview, the brand visibility factors, right? According to Ahrefs, this is the case study being done by Ahrefs. I'm going to share the link with you. So you should go through this blog they have shared. Like they have done a very in detail analysis of AI overview brand visibility factors, like how brand search volume impacts your ranking. So they have done like a detailed study. So I will just advise you to go through this a detailed article on AI overviews, how you can improve your SEO, how you can make sure your brand start appearing in Google AI overviews or ChatGPT or like LLM tools right now. So make sure you go through this case study. This is one of the best case study. It's gonna make you understand like why should focus on making your brand, right? So please, I will just advise everybody to just go through this a detailed like case study on AI overviews, and it's gonna help you understand like what they are talking about. Okay, what strategies like according to NP, like Neil Patel, what strategies? So few of the strategies which are like highly impactful in 2025 right now is digital PR. It's like 28%, like 21% is on-page SEO. How well you are optimizing your site structure, like making sure like you have all the right set of schema tags, like FAQs, everything is like you have done well done technical SEO on your actual site. So make sure I've shared with you on-page SEO guidelines and like in my previous training. So make sure you follow those things inside your niche website. It's gonna help you to optimize your site on-page SEO like very strong, right? Blogging is like 16%, and the 12% is like answer direct question, and 4% is updating existing content, right? 3% is Reddit posting, and the 2% is encouraging reviews, and 14% is others, like you talk about social media, you talk about Medium, like so many channels are there where you can like leverage your brand for AI SEO, right? So I'm going to share with you like these are the 68%, like whenever you search on the Google, right? The 68% of the clicks still go to the top 3 organic results, right? And Google SEA, as I've shared with you, like AI snapshot, like AI overviews, reward EAT, right? Whenever you're optimizing your content, EAT should be your number 1 factor. And backlinks remain the number 1 off-page factor according to Ahrefs 2024 case study, right? They like Ahrefs have done a detailed case study, so you can check out their blog, and they are telling like backlinks remain the number 1 off-page ranking factor. Like if you really want to rank highly on Google, make sure you create a solid amount of backlinks. Like foundation backlink should be created. Like that's where you're gonna make sure like your site start getting some kind of traffic from the Google, right? Brand web mentions, like somebody's talking about your brand on their site. Like if you have a brand XYZ, like you are doing agency, right? You are an agency brand, and somebody is sharing about your agency name inside the content, right? That's where you're going to get brand web mentioned. Like somebody's talking about your brand on internet, right? They're talking on Facebook, maybe on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on Reddit, on Product Hunt, on G2, anywhere. Like the more the brand web mentions you have, there's a very strong correlation, like you're going to appear into Google AI overviews, right? They have done all this kind of like the research, and they have shown like brand web mentions are very much important to showcase, like to improve your rankings inside Google AI overviews, right? So let's move to the, as like this is one of the like SEO experts, they have find it out, like as Kevin Digg, he has find in his recent AI visibility research, like brand search volume is the biggest predictor for visibility in ChatGPT. Like if your brand have a decent search volume, like my brand is like affiliate pages, right? If affiliate pages have a decent brand search volume, it is a biggest predictor. Like it is going to improve your ranking. Like if your brand is getting search on Google, like somebody's talking about your brand, like reviews, anything like you sell online, and if you have a decent brand search volume, it is a biggest predictor. Like it is the biggest indicator for showing your increased brand presence inside ChatGPT, right? The number of AI chat bot mentions and the brand search volume have a correlation of 0.334, is pretty good in this field. So they have done all this kind of, like Kevin Indig is one of the top-notch SEO experts, and he has done very detailed research on AI overviews, right? How to make sure your brand start appearing in Google AI overviews. So brand search volume is the biggest indicator to showcase your visibility inside ChatGPT. So make sure whenever you're creating a niche website, you should have some kind of decent brand search volume. And how you're going to have a decent brand search volume, you make sure like your brand is omnipresent everywhere. Like you make sure your brand is active on social media channels like Facebook, like Instagram. You're creating content, and you're making the noise out of that, right? You're creating a buzz about your brand everywhere, right? That's where you're gonna have some kind of brand search volume. Okay. So benefits of AI tools in SEO, right? So these are some of the, as you know, like AI tools can help you to optimize your content. It can fix your grammar errors. It can like do so many things for you. So I'm going to share some of the tools I use in my like AI SEO tool stack. So like I use it for my team, like everybody. So some of them I'm going to show you the demo so you guys can actually have a look at it, and some of the tools so you can actually just go on the YouTube and watch some kind of video. So it's going to help you understand like what these tools are actually used for. I'm going to give you some brief overview about these tools. Like Surfer SEO tool is one of the best tools we use to optimize our content according to Google SERP, like someone who's ranking on the top of the Google SERPs. So Surfer SEO is going to optimize your content. So it's going to show you like what are the elements you are missing inside your content. So I'm going to give you example, like one of the article, this is one of the ad review we have. So once you are done with the content, you are going to paste your content inside content editor of Surfer SEO, and it's going to give you a brief like overview about your content, like how good is your content, how many words you have, how many headings you have, how many paragraphs, how many images so you should have in your content. It's gonna give you analysis like what kind of content optimization your competitor have done for XYZ keywords. For example, if I want to rank for ad seller review, it's gonna give me a detailed analysis like how many keywords so you should use in this content. Like so it's gonna give you detailed analysis like how many times you have used these terms inside this content piece. Headings, it will show you headings, like how many headings so you have used. It's gonna give you very detailed analysis about your content and what changes you have to make in your content in order to get the best score. So this is the content score. It will give you analysis how good is your content right now in order to rank inside Google SERP, right? And you can use one of their feature. They have auto optimize feature, which gonna automatically optimize your content. And once your content is optimized, so you can copy paste it from here and you can paste it to your WordPress, or you can directly export it to your WordPress. Like you can make sure like your content, or Groove, so you have options.
I just want to let you know, Jit, I'm back. I got off the call with Glenn Ledwell, so I'm here if you need me, but I'll be in the background. Just wanted to let you know I'm back.
Sure. Because this training is going to be a bit long because Mike, I want to make them explain so many things about backlinks, about SEO. So they should understand all these terms because I want to make sure they get a huge value from this training.
I have to say this. This is what I always want to tell people when it comes to training.
Sure.
The next day when you get back from the gym and you get out of bed and oh my goodness, what's the matter? You're back? No, leg day, right? You did legs and now your butt is sore and your legs are sore. Or you go to put your shirt on and you realize your triceps are hurting and you go, everything okay? No, I worked out, I'm sore. Well, that pain that you're feeling means results, right? So when we're looking at this stuff, as long as you can follow, but you say, it looks a little tough and complex, that's the pain of working out. You're working out your brain. That means you're learning. If you ever get on and you're watching a presentation and you're saying, yep, that's validation. I'm already doing that.
Yep.
I'm already doing that. That's just called validation, right? You want to be able to come on here. And when you see new things, the next day, your muscles hurt a little bit. All right. And that's what happens. Sometimes you're looking at these different things that Jit is showing you and you say, hey, this is new to me. And so if that seems like a struggle, that's okay. Just take it, absorb, take notes, go back, rewatch it. And then nothing happens without action. The way that we truly learn is with action. I'll give you just another analogy with that.
Sure.
Guys, I'm going to be in October, I'm going to be 50. Gosh, I keep forgetting I keep saying I'm going to be this age and I'm going to be that age. I think I'm going to be 57 in October, right? Or 58. I was born in 67. I'm going to be 58. I'm going to be 58 years old in October. And I'm a big, I would say more of a UFC guy than an MMA guy. And I've watched so many fights that I will call a fight and people are like, how do you know so much about this stuff? I'm like, I've been watching it for a long time. I've been watching people train. I know every single move that there is when they're doing it. I'm like, no, he doesn't have it. He doesn't have the leg hook. And people are like, do you roll? And I'm like, no. And they're like, how do you know so much about jiu-jitsu? And you know what happens? I'm now taking jiu-jitsu lessons. I've taken probably, I don't know, maybe 20 lessons. I take them on Tuesday mornings.
And I'll tell you one thing. Everything I thought I knew, I know nothing. When I keep saying, oh, he doesn't have, as soon as I get on the mat and I'm underneath somebody, I'm like, okay, I don't know anything. And so you really learn by application. You can study slides, you can study everything JIT is doing. That's like me watching a UFC fight. But until you actually do something and 90% of it works and 10% of it doesn't, and then you use your brain to go do the research with ChatGPT to find out what worked, and then you have that eureka moment success, and then you see the results where you went from, you don't even know, you couldn't even find yourself on Google, and the next thing you know, 2 weeks later, you find yourself in the 3rd position on Google. That's because you're doing the application and you've worked on it. So back to you, Jit, on there.
Yeah, if they don't understand any terms, because sometimes it might be too much technical, so open Google AI Studio. It's gonna help you. It's gonna be your teacher. It's gonna help you solve all of your problem. Like if you ask like Google AI Studio, what is server SEO? It's gonna tell you like server SEO is da 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 da. It's gonna help you. Like so, it's easy for you. So just open Google AI Studio. It's gonna help you in many things. Trust me. Yeah.
So Gabriel says SEO Surfer that you showed is a cool tool. He uses a similar AI tool for SEO. You could let us know what that is, Gabriel.
There are so many tools right now.
Gabriel has ranked over 7 websites positive on
Wow.
#1 on Google. He says SEO is my thing. You should connect with JIT.
Wow.
And who knows, Gabriel? Maybe one day we'll invite you on to show our members some of the stuff that that you know. And then Kevin Jacobson says it would be a good thing for us if there was a resources page or a Google Docs with links to some of the stuff, websites, YouTube videos, blog page. So what we'll do, we'll have somebody on our team go through all of JIT's slides, what he's done with all of the training, and we will create a resource document for you guys that we will post for you. Thank you, Gabriel. We appreciate it. And Jit, did you have more slides, or were you wrapped up?
Yes, I have a lot of content to share. So there, guys, please be prepared. Like this is going to be a lot of knowledge, but it's gonna be helping you. Like that's my goal. I'm gonna show you some now. I'm going to talk about Parasite SEO. So let's talk about that soon. Okay, let's just finish this. Let me finish.
We see your screen.
My screen
you're good. You're
is
good.
visible, right? Okay, perfect. So server SEO tool is can also help you to audit your URLs. Example, you have created one article, like a piece of content on your niche website. Example, I've created this. Example, these are some of my sites where I've created my content. So I'm going to open one of the URL for audit. So it's going to show you like what things you need to fix inside this content. How many internal links should be there. Like it's gonna show you everything, like what things you need to be fixing in this content, how many words you need to add inside the content, what kind of features you need to add it, interlinking, and how many times so you should use these keywords on. It's gonna give you detailed analysis about that particular review page or any kind of landing page you ask him to audit. It's gonna give you like overall feedback, like what things you need to add it to this page. You have to add H1 tags, like H2 tags, H3 tags. It's gonna give you very much in detail analysis. And once you fix all these kind of errors, and then you are good to make that page live. And again, you make sure like you keep optimizing this page over and over again in order to rank, right? Because you need to keep updating your content in order to beat your competitors now. Okay, so let's start with this server SEO. And now it's like, as I've shown you, like Google Search Console. It's one of the tool we use it. So I'm gonna give you one example about Google Search Console so everybody can have a look at it. So let me show you example about this tool. Just give me 1 second. We're going to open Affiliate Booster. So you can actually see it's gonna show you overall the visibility about your site, about how many clicks you are getting, which URLs are getting ranked, how many impressions so you have. So it's gonna show you overall your site health report. Like it's gonna give you detailed insights about your content, which is ranking on the Google. So you can see that which content is going up, which content is going down. So you always have to optimize your content. It's not like one-time job, right? Once you created an article about any kind of like topic like review, coupon, pricing, XYZ, right? You need to make sure like you keep updating your content, because like you will always have the competitors. You will always be seeing some new sites are getting ranked inside the Google, right? Inside like SERPs, inside like LLM tools. So make sure you keep optimizing your content. That's where you're gonna like make sure you are keeping up with all the latest information inside your content, right? So this is like Google Search Console. It give you analysis about your site, like how many pages are indexed on the Google. So you can just explore this tool. And if you don't understand anything, please open Google AI Studio. It's gonna answer all your doubts. Like if I like go like in depth about this tool, it's gonna take me a huge time. So I'm just sharing with you like what we have done. Like, so I'm gonna just giving you examples. Like this is one of the like free tools so you can use, and so you can see which pages are ranking, not indexed. It's gonna give you like analysis about your overall site structure, about health, like how fast is your loading page, and what kind of improvements you guys have to done on your niche website. So this is a free tool by Google. Okay, so you can use it. Next, prompts we use. Some of the prompts I'm sharing with you guys. So this training will be with you. So I'm going to share the link of the presentation so you can upload this screenshot to any AI tools like ChatGPT and you can get the prompts. So few of the prompts I'm sharing with you, which we use to optimize our content according to latest Google SERPs. So I cannot read all these prompts, so you can have a look at it. And some of the prompts like are pretty long. It's gonna help you to optimize your review articles, like coupon codes, any kind of articles. Like we use these kind of prompts, which are always helping us to make sure our content is fresh. It have a new data. It have all the fresh flow. Like it have all the guidelines, expert opinions, like the case studies, like the stats, everything, right? So these are a few of the prompts. We are going to get it. I'm going to share the links of all the presentation so you guys can have a look at it. This is one of the prompt. We use it for teachable coupon. It's pretty long prompt, so you can use it and for any kind of niche. And once you get the content, make sure you edit it well. You put some kind of human touch in that content, and make sure you proofread it. Like it should be valuable for the readers who are on your site, right? So make sure you follow all these kind of like parameters. And this is one of the powerful, like I've seen this tool. I think if somebody have heard about this global GPT, it gives you access to top 100 AI models. So you can have a look at it. This is one of the, they will give you access to ChatGPT 5 version, like the DeepSeek, like the Claude, like the Midjourney. All these tools are available. So like my team members use this to access our all the AI tools. Like if they want to create images, like the content, this is one of the best one. I find it out. Like this is the best site which can help you get access to 100 powerful AI tools all in one, or less. It's so easy. Like it can help you to create images, chats, video, agents, everything for you. So please save this site. I have already shared with you Global GPT, and it is one of the best sites. It give you free credits, like 100 credits, but after you have done with the free credits, you need to buy it, and it's not expensive, like to be very honest. So you can see it. You have to pay like almost like $24 every month if you buy the yearly one, and it's all worth it. It's all worth it. Trust me, it's gonna give you access to all these kind of amazing AI like LLM tools, so you can explore all of these, and it's gonna give you like so many credits which you can use to create images, videos, anything for your content, right? So now let's talk about Parasite SEO. I think have you guys have heard about Parasite SEO, right? This is one of the like craziest. I think I've been doing it from pretty much long time right now, and it's still in 2025. Parasite SEO works like crazy, to be very honest. It's one of the like fastest way to build backlinks also, and the fastest way to rank your affiliate articles inside Google AI overviews and inside LLM tools, because these are high authority sites. So you need to use the power of high authority sites which are already available to you for free. You just have to create content. I'm going to share some examples with you so you guys can actually understand it. So Parasite SEO is like you have to leverage the authority of like other news websites, like the popular sites which have a very high authority, right? So example like Forbes. Okay, so as you know, in all these updates, you might have seen like Reddit is ranking very high, right? If you see, like if you search any kind of information query, something like how to lose weight, example, you might see like Reddit is coming up on the top of the Google, right? This is one of the also Parasite SEO, right? I'm going to share with you one site where you can buy some old like Reddit profiles, Facebook profiles, like LinkedIn profiles for doing Parasite SEO. I'm going to share with you at the end of this slide. So keep an eye on that. Okay. Reddit is still a big winner. Like after all these kind of updates, right? If you have seen like Reddit is ranking like crazy, like it's getting billions of traffic right now, even after all these updates by the Google. So make sure you keep an eye on Reddit, LinkedIn, Quora. These are one of the free Parasite SEO sites which you can create content. I'm going to share some examples in front of you so you guys can actually have a look at it, right? As you can see, like Lily Ray is one of the top SEO expert, and she shared like she's able to rank her article inside Google AI overviews in just 7 hours. So you can have a look at this keyword, optimize Google Discover 2025, right? She's able to rank that article, like LinkedIn Pulse article, in just 7 hours. So what do I mean by LinkedIn Pulse article? I'm just opening my LinkedIn profile. So this is my LinkedIn profile, so you guys can see it. There's an option called write article, right? There's an option called write article. You need to upload images, so you can just have to write teachable review example. I'm just giving example, right? That's you need to put the content, and all you need to put the content with AI. Just create a content with AI for your affiliate keywords which you guys really want to rank. I'm going to share you some examples like which I've done. Example, I've created this articles, top digital marketing experts in India, right? I've created this article on LinkedIn Pulse, and I've given a backlink to my site at the end of the article. So you can see I've given a backlink to my site. So I'm giving, because I want to make a backlinks for my actual sites, because I want to make sure like my actual sites also get boost. So this is my actual site. So you can see it, right? This is where I'm linking it, right? So you can see it. It's there. Why it's taking such a long time? Maybe, yeah. So you can see that. It's there because I want to make sure this article ranks on the top of the Google, and I'm interlinking on LinkedIn Pulse, right? So that's where you're making the backlinks to. And if you're not able to rank your main niche website, you're able to rank your LinkedIn Pulse article, which is called Parasite SEO, right? So I'm going to show you some examples here. This is one of the like the top-notch Parasite SEO site. So you can like make a note of like take a screenshot of this site, Global News Wire. It is ranking for all the top-notch keywords like best email services for startups, best payrolls software for accountants, for all those kind of affiliate keywords which are going to make them a lot of money. So this is like a paid news, like a paid news PR site. Like you have to pay to these news websites, and they are going to list down your article, and inside that article they are going to have your affiliate links, right? So you just open that link. It's gonna show you like some of the articles they have created. So you can see this best SEO tool, right? And inside this best SEO tool, they have all these affiliate links here about the tool. Okay, so you can have a look at it. And some of the because these are very high authority news websites, right? And they have a very high chances to rank on Google, because Google gives priority to high authority sites, right? Which have a higher amount of backlinks, which have a lot of trust in the eyes of Google. And these are news websites. So news websites are always very much credible in the eyes of Google now. Okay. So what keywords I target on LinkedIn Pulse and other Parasite SEO sites? So most of the keywords I target on LinkedIn or any other Parasite sites like Quora, Medium, like any like any of these Parasite site, I use the keywords which are going to make me the money, like review keywords, like coupon code, like alternative, like the verses, like the best kind of articles, pricing, free trial. I'm gonna like show you some examples so you guys can actually have a look at it. This is one of our pages, like affiliate booster, and we have created some of the articles, so you can have a look at these articles we have created, right? And inside these articles we have all these affiliate links right now. Okay, so you can open any of these articles, so you can just search on LinkedIn and you type about affiliate booster, and you can see some of the articles we have, right? And if you see these articles, they have all affiliate links, so you can see that we have affiliate links here, right? And we are talking about this, and this is like affiliate links here. So we target all these kind of like the keywords which are going to make us money as an affiliate too. And we are making sure, like inside these Parasite SEO sites, we are linking our main site. So we are giving backlinks to our main sites too. So in order to boost our authority of our main niche website. So Parasite SEO is one of the also like easiest way to rank for your affiliate keywords. So you can easily start making some kind of money with your affiliate marketing links, right? So let me showcase you some of the examples. We have optimized for this keyword, like Linux Foundation coupon code. And this is one of the article which was ranking on the top of the Google. We have used like example here, GitHub. So you can search on Google. So you can see some of the, you might have seen some, if you search about coupon codes or some kind of review article, you might have seen GitHub pages are ranking on the Google. So you can like start optimizing your profile, like GitHub profile, and start sharing the content. If you don't understand this process, we can create a video for you guys how to create GitHub articles, so you can start optimizing it for your affiliate keywords, so you can start ranking on the Google, because GitHub have a very high authority in the eyes of Google, right? So I'm sharing some examples, like some of the keywords we were able to rank for, like free trial, pricing, like coupon code, promo code, everything, like all these keywords. And this is one of my LinkedIn Pulse articles I want to share with you guys. Like I made, like in such a short amount of time, I made like in 2 weeks, I made almost like $500 with that keyword. Like, to be very honest, so I've just find out the profitable keywords which was easy to rank inside the Parasite SEO, and I was able to make $500 in just 2 weeks with this one keyword. So all you need to do, just do the R&D, just do reverse engineering, like in your niche, find out your competitors and see those keywords which are easy to rank with Parasite SEO. Like Parasite SEO is one of the like fastest way for you guys to make money online right now, like in 2025. Okay, and what affiliate marketers are doing, like in this, like 20 to 25, as you guys are going to learn about affiliate marketing, like how I'm doing it, and what affiliate marketers are doing, like, and what they should do in 2025. As I've shared with you, like free Parasite sites like Reddit, like GitHub, like LinkedIn Pulse, like Quora, these are like low cost opportunities for everybody. Like you guys just have to create content, images, and everything. You just have to put your affiliate links there. And if you want to use paid news website, like paid services, like paid PR, like digital PR campaigns, if you want to get featured on Forbes or any other like Fortune 500 sites, example, right? So make sure you have to pay for all these kind of sites. But these paid PR websites, they have a high yield ROI for you guys. Example, Forbes. If you have searched like best CBD oils, best hosting, all those kind of like commercial keywords, Forbes is ranking highly for all those kind of affiliate keywords, right? And Forbes have almost made like $400 million in revenue in 2024 with all this affiliate marketing keywords. So I would say, like, start exploring Parasite SEO. Everybody should start learning about Parasite SEO. This is one of the fastest way to rank your affiliate keywords into the Google, into AI overviews, into LLMs, right? Because these sites are very high authority sites. So I have shared some of the examples with you, so you guys can actually have a look at it. And if you guys are interested to like buy social media accounts, I'm going to share this site with you already, Access Market. It is one of the best sites where you can buy expired LinkedIn profile, like Facebook, LinkedIn, like the Gmail account. So this is one of the paid site where you need to buy it. Like you have to pay for the Facebook account, like LinkedIn profiles, Instagram accounts. Everything is available there. So you just have to choose it and just add it to your cart and start buying it. And you have to test all the time, like which accounts are going to work for you. And you need to keep testing the keywords which are easy to rank, and always look at the SERPs first. Like once you choose the keyword, make sure you search it on the Google and see what kind of competition is having on SERPs, right? Like on the Google. So make sure you just follow this structure. It's going to help you to analyze the competition much better. So this is one of the site where I buy old aged like social media accounts like Facebook, like LinkedIn, like Quora. They have all these kind of profiles for you. Of course, you have to pay for it, but it's going to help you to make a quick money with Parasite SEO. That is also like easiest way to make money like in 2025 for affiliate keywords. Okay, so let's start with now. This is one of the last thing I want to talk about: adding translation to your site. Like whenever you are creating your niche website, and once you have at least like 200 pieces of content, I would say like at least have 100 to 200 pieces of content, then you can start adding translation to your site. Make sure you translating your content into native language, right? For example, right, some of the niche websites I have there, some of the keywords are not ranking in USA, example, because US is a very tough competitive market. But some of the affiliate keywords were ranking in Russia, in Ukraine. So I always make sure once my niche like affiliate site is getting into authority mode. What do I mean by authority mode? Like once my site is getting some kind of traffic from Google, some kind of authority, some kind of links, like it has some kind of links, and it have almost like 100 to 200 articles like on that niche website. If you see, like if you search some of my site, example, affiliate booster, right? I'm going to share with you example. It is translated, like I've translated this site into Russia, so you can see that, right? It's getting ranked in Russia, into different countries. Why? Because I want to get traffic from these countries too, because from there I'm going to make a lot of money with my affiliate keywords like review, pricing, like coupon kind of keywords. So make sure like once your site is entering into authority mode, it have like 100 to 200 pieces of content, you can start activating translating your content into native languages. It's going to really help you. So I have added, so I use this paid service. It's a paid one, gtranslate.io. It's going to help you to uh, like create translation, like translate your content into different languages like English, French, like Japanese, Indonesian. So you can choose all these countries. I've chosen like top 10 countries, like which are like highly searched. And once I'm done with this, I will start testing which country is giving me the most traffic, and I will make sure I will add those countries which are giving me the most traffic, and the countries which is giving me the less traffic, I will remove it from gtranslate. So you can use this site like gtranslate.io, and it's gonna help you to like do the translation for your affiliate niche website. So I've used this on my domain too. And in 2022, 2023, I was able to get almost like 4.6 million traffic on this site, as I've shared with you earlier in my trainings. So like with translation, I've made so much money. With translation, you get opportunity to get sponsored articles, like affiliate marketing deals. Like you will be approached by some of the affiliate marketing companies which have a base in Russia, in Ukraine, in Italy, and they are going to offer you much attractive affiliate deals, like affiliate offers, right? Because your site is able to rank in these kind of native languages, right? So make sure you also do this translation, like activate your, like translate your content into different native languages. So you should do this only once your site gets into authority mode, and it's almost like 6 months old website, and you have at least like 200 pieces of content, at least 100 to 200 pieces of content should be there in order to get the maximum benefit of translating your content into different languages. So Mike, I'm done with my presentation. So I'm happy to like take some questions, Mike. Yeah.
Okay, let me see. I know Simon said earlier that he gave us a link to the Google Doc. All right, so we have two questions. One of them we went over, it would be helpful. And the other one was Amanda said, and I spoke to her privately about that. She said it would be great if, let me see, she said, if we could add video, for example. I told her privately on Microsoft Teams that it's going to work just like Group Blog. We're talking about what Vashi was showing. You'll be able to hit plus and add an image, add a video, or add custom embed. So you'll have all that. And other than that, Simon was keeping track for us on any questions, and chat's been a little light today. And that's it. I think we are wrapped up here today. You got 2 likes here I'm seeing from Facebook as well. Let me just close this side thing here. And thank you very much, Jit. That was very, very good training. Like we said, we're getting into the advanced stuff. Getting backlinking is the stuff that's going to turbocharge and add the fuel to the fire to your SEO. There's certain things that you can do on page to make the page look good. There's other things with all the additional tools that, as you know, it said here, Gabriel, links still key. That will never change. It's like citations to a paper. That's actually where backlinking came from. Larry and Sergey said, hey, you know, the way that when you write a paper, as in, you submit a paper, whether you're Einstein or whatever, it's other people that cite your paper. And the more it's cited, then the more rank that it's given, more authority that it's given. So Google said, hey, we can apply the same thing to pages. And then the pages that link back, if the same way, if they have authority. So it's great if you have 100 pages looking back, but if you have 100 pages with authority that link back. So Jit, you showed all those different places like Reddit as well.
For sure.
So getting good feedback here. Amy says this was very thorough, Jit. Thank you. Here, where can we find the other training videos? Inside, just log into affiliatepages.com. We have them all on the dashboard for you. Thank you from Kevin, and that's it. All right, Jit. Very late for you. What time is it over there? Close to.
It's almost like 12 a.m. Yeah.
Almost midnight for you over there. So we'll let you get going.
But it's fun. It's fun to give value to all these people so they can understand the importance of AI SEO. I'm happy to help all of them. It's such a good feeling. Yeah.
Yeah, and we'll probably, you want to book it next week, Jit? Is that the last one that you're doing?
No, I think it's by social media, something like that. Like that. You talk about that.
Let's see, affiliates today. We're going to do.
Then we have about Google AdWords.
I have a Click Coach training with Mitch on Thursday. That's our first training. So let's do 12 p.m. next Thursday. 12 p.m. affiliate pages training. So that's going to be a long day. I'm going to have Click Coach and affiliate pages back to back. Okay, 8:28, and very good. We're supposed to be starting our scale-a-thon soon. I'm going to have to start moving some things around here. Special thanks to Simon. Thank you very much, Simon, for being here. Vashi for your help, and to Alan for popping in, and Amanda, the clever dough lady. We appreciate it. And of course, to Jit. Thank you very much. Take care, everybody. We're going to let you out with a song.
Take care. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Take care.
Go get your microphone. Go get your karaoke. Sing along, strung along. So we'll see you soon.
Bye-bye.